Hi everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training, and we've got this little project I've been working on, and we've got some questions about stairs and stair material and railing. We continue on with this railing here that we got on this top deck, as you can see in this view, the second floor here. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to look at stairs, how we're going to place stairs. And I've had many videos about stairs, but I had a particular question about the railing. Okay, so here we want to go into the architecture tab and select stair. Okay, upon selecting stair, then we have these properties open up. So here our base level is going to be level 1, and then the top level is going to be level 2. Okay, and so we can just go in here, and then we got other things here like offset, center run, width. It's 3 feet. So I'm going to just place the stair, well, it's hitting the wall a little bit. So I'm going to just move it out right to there, or we can always move it. So we're going to go drag down here, and then we're going to place our stair. Now, as you can see, it's the wrong way. And I'm going to just go finish it here, and then select it, select the stair, and you see that little arrow, that's a flip arrow, it's going down. We're going to just flip down to up, and there's our stair in place. So now we can make some adjustments here, like say for instance, yeah, I'm into the wall, so I'm going to just use the arrow keys and push that over to about there. So now we have our stair, and we need to look at this railing part. So what we can do here, you can select the railing here, and then in our properties, I'm going to edit this type, and let's do it. We always want to duplicate, so let's duplicate this railing, and let's just call it no rail. Or you can just leave it as 2 if you want. And then I'm going to say OK here. And now here's our structure, and here you've got structure here, baluster placement. So here we look at our structure, and you got materials and things of that nature. And I want to insert a new rail. Well, I could, but I don't want to do that right now. I want this. I want to kick this box here. We're not going to have a top rail. Well, yeah, we will have a top rail. I'm sorry. And then we're going to look at baluster placement. So here is our layout of the rail. These are the properties here. We've got our baluster here, and then these are the sizes. Now, what I want to do, what I do here for this, I'll select this and just go none. Then you apply that. Okay. Okay. So there. So for in this case, we don't need the baluster here because we could just use a rail. So that's how you would do that. Now, let's go back into this view, and then I might want to move this over against the wall a little bit. So that's how you would place a railing where you don't need the balusters. And then there are other things we could do here. So I'm going to select this stair here, and then I want to edit type here. And then in this case, we will duplicate again. And these are just for the threads and risers, so we're going to say OK. And then we got all our rules and calculations here. And we're going to bypass on that. We don't need that right now. But here we look at things like materials and whatever. So let's fix this now. Edit. Okay, we've got that there. Materials, minimum width. So these are all the information with regard to those stairs. Graphics, and so on and so forth. So, and this is like you need a middle support. So just briefly running through these with you here, and then I'm gonna go apply here and OK. So now the stringer here, let's select this now again and edit this type. And we're going to look at our stringer. Where is that? Construction type, nosing, landing type, function. This is going to be exterior. And stringer. Okay, there's a left and right stringer here. So this is the right, and this is the left. So actually, we really probably wouldn't need a stringer on the left. Let me see which is right side here. It's close. Support. Let's say we can take this one out. Say none here. But normally this is only in the case of the stairs connected to this wall. It probably would be, but for sakes, I'm going to leave it there. So I'm going to just undo that. I just want to go through these different properties you have with stairs. So I'm going to undo that. And then I want to grab the entire stair again. And we're going to look at materials. So identity mark construction. So I guess that's here as well. I didn't see it before. So edit type. I want to change my stairs to wood. Anybody see it? Well, I don't. But anyway, creation rules. Nope. Thick landing. Rider support stringer. Okay. Stringer close left. Width is 2 inches. We can change the width there. Cut type. Then just slide down here to this. Okay. So that's basically how you would add a stair without balusters. You just go in and change it out. And then I'll look at materials in the next video. I'm just looking here. Let me see if I can figure this material thing out, because I'm looking at the south elevation. And there's our stair. Select it. And okay. I'm going to have to leave it there and bring the stair material back. Let me see if I can change it. This, we can do a paint on it. Let me go into modify, paint. Okay, we'll take a little bit of time here. And so let's go with wood. Let's see if I can just type this in right here. Yeah. Go with this birch. Done. Paint that. Is it working? Actually, it is. So that's how you would change the material. There's got to be other ways to do this. What do we got here? Floor, wood floor. So I'm going to go with wood floor here. I think I did this in a prior video, so I might just move on from this here. So there's our floor here. Right. So we can do that way. And those lines, that can probably come out. But that's how you do the baluster with the with the stair with the side where you don't have a balusters. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, support the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody, please be safe and subscribe and like and all that good stuff. Thanks for all. Bye.